Hi friends, welcome back to Azure cicd pipeline session 5. So here we have to raise the request to grant the parallelism request. Okay, so we have to enter the name here, then you have to enter my email ID and the DevOps organization name, and we have to raise the request for the private project this time. Okay, because generally for the free trial account the parallelism uh, cannot be granted of the public project. So here you have to enter your name and email ID as well as your DevOps organization name. And while creating the DevOps organization name, you can get that. So you have to just select the organization name, then you have to select the private, okay, private project, because only the parallelism request can be approved from the private project only. Okay, so once you get submitted this ticket within 2 or 4 business working days, you will get the email from the Microsoft team like it got approved. Okay, so let me open that email which I got from the Microsoft for this request, and it got approved. You can this email like the parallelism type, which is the private in the project, that is got approved. Okay, so once get approved, then you can able to run your Azure by CI/CD pipeline. So after that I will create one of the CI/CD pipeline for the private project. Generally the CI/CD pipeline, this parallelism request cannot be approved from the public project. Okay, if they are using the trial account. If you have the enterprise account, then they can approve, but only the free trial account, only we have the privilege to enable the parallelism through the MS team only for the private project.